Hello everyone, it's Mrs. Walker. I just want to walk you through how to sign in through myPascoConnect. Whenever you're logging into your courses, you're going to want to sign in using myPascoConnect. So I would suggest that you bookmark this app for you to be able to use easily when you log into your computer each day. So you'll click sign into myPascoConnect. You're going to use your Canvas username and password, so it'll be your student number with the funny name with the symbol. Mine is a little bit different, so don't pay too much attention to what mine looks like as I log in. Okay, so once you log in, you're going to be taken to your home page screen, and it's going to have all of your apps on it. The main goal of this video is to show you how to get to My Learning, which is how you would access your courses within our Canvas. So you're going to click on My Learning, and it's going to open up into your dashboard that has all of your courses on it. So once you log in this way, you're going to still see up at the top here another tab that says myPascoConnect and My Apps. That tab stays open, so you'll want to keep that tab open because that's going to give you access to all of your apps that you have. So for example, if I say you're going to watch a Brain Pop video and I give you a link to that video and you click it within the course, it's still going to open it right away and you're not going to have to sign into Brain Pop because it's a single sign-on once you log into myPascoConnect, and then you have access to all of the apps that you have here. The only thing is there might be some time, it might be one particular time, that you might have to log into BrainPop or to the new accounts as you are creating them, but the goal is that you shouldn't have to re-log in every time that you use them. So remember that you want to be signing in to work on your courses through myPascoConnect, okay, and then you'll click on My Learning, which will open your user dashboard with all of your courses. Okay, and just make sure that you keep this myPascoConnect tab open, and then once you're done for the day, you can log out. You can actually log out through here if you want to. You can do it that way. And then it'll log you out of your myPasco Learning as well. Okay, so have a good day. Let me know if you have any questions.